2 blades last up to 8 months. For best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results may vary. Trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. Glide coating and rounded tips protect your skin, not too close for a comfortable shave. Use dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. Powers through even the longest hair. Subscribe Save on OneBlade replacement blades and save up to 15%. Includes 2 replacement blade. A revolutionary new electric grooming technology designed for men who wear stubble, beards, or facial hairstyles. OneBlade trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. The unique technology integrates a fast-moving cutter, 200x per second, with a dual protection system for a comfortable shave on longer hairs. OneBlade doesn't shave too close, so skin stays comfortable. Each replacement blade lasts up to 4 months. For best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Best razor on the market. I absolutely love my Philips OneBlade razor. It gives such a close shave and has never nicked or cut me. I recommend this razor and replacement heads to anyone looking for the best razor ever made.